Alright guys, I just got a fidget cube, my very first fidget cube. It's pretty cool. Here, I'll show you guys.
From my grandma's friend.
Yeah, from my grandma's friend.
Oh dude, look how sharp this thing is now.
Yeah, she got one too. And that's basically... They'll show you theirs. They got some pretty dog boy ones. They got some pretty sick ones. Dog. That's my dog. That's my bro. Yeah, so dog. Hashtag dog bro in the comments. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're pretty lit. Alright, I will show a video of my fidget spinners, all my fidget spinners and my fidget cube tonight. It's gonna be pretty lit, so just go check on it. And peace out. Always have a fun time.